So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to integrate Docusign with Gmail. Firstly, open, close, and navigate to the specific Gmail containing your attachment. This directly in your inbox, sent, or the contact's personal profile. Tap the Send To icon and locate it next to the attachment and select Docusign from the app options. To fill and file, the file will instantly port over to Docusign. Finalize your workflow by adding your signers, placing your signature tags, and hitting send. Now head back into Close and click Sync. Your pipeline will automatically track all real-time signature updates, and you will get an agenda alert at the second the finalized copy is signed. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. And drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next. And I will see you on the next video.